The first thing we're going to do is download test 31 from Moodle. Okay, it opens up here. So I go open and it automatically opens and I hit enable editing. At this point, I go to number 2 and save the document onto my desktop using the file name AGM. So save as and AGM. Okay, and I'm going to save it onto my desktop, but don't worry if you're saving it onto your USB key. Okay, and save and go OK. The next thing I want to do is to create a new paragraph at the text beginning. This is the call. So I just position my cursor before this and hit enter, and it goes to a new paragraph. And create a new paragraph at the text beginning, election of treasurer. So I'm just going to click here and again hit enter. Center align the text to the members of the Keep Fit Badminton Association. So I'm going to highlight and I'm going to center. Okay. It then asks me to save. So I'm going up to my little floppy disk and hitting save. Okay. The next thing is to apply the font color blue to the text. So I go up to my A here and I'm applying the blue font color. Well, I guess blue would be that one. Okay, because the other one is dark blue. I'm going to make the title to the members of the Badminton Keep Fit Association bold. So I'm going to make it bold. And I'm going to change the font size for the entire document to 12 points. I do that by hitting Control A and then going up to 12. Okay, so Control A will select everything on the table. Okay, and then it wants us to save. So I save. It wants me to apply bullet points to the agenda items from election of the treasurer down to new badminton court. So I'm just going to scroll down, I'm going to highlight here, and I'm going to go up to bullet points and place them like so. Apply double line spacing to the agenda items from election of the new treasurer down. Double line is 2 points. Okay, so it should look something like that. Then it wants me to enter the text Keep Fit Badminton Association in the header of the document. To do that, I go Insert, Header, and I'm just going to go for a blank one. And it wants me to put in Keep Fit Badminton Association. And I guess that's italicized. So I go to Home, I make it italics, go to Header Footer and close Header Footer. Okay. The next thing it wants me to do is print one copy. So File, Print, I connect it and print. Okay. The next thing it wants me to do is mail merge. Use the current version of AGM as a form letter and save. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Okay. The next thing it wants me to do is use the file ADD or LST.doc from Moodle as the data source to be merged. So I need to download this from Moodle. So I'm clicking on it and I'm opening it. I'm in Able Editing and I'm just going to save as, and I'm just going to save it as that on the desktop so I know where it is. Okay, and I'm going to close it. Okay. Replace the existing name and address with the merge fields, first name, last name, address, city, postcode. So I go up to mailings, I go up to select recipients, use existing list, double click on my desktop because I know where the list is, and I click on ADD or LST. Nothing happens, nothing's supposed to. I'm going to highlight Paula Jones and I'm going to insert first name, insert last name, shift enter. I'm going to highlight the address, insert address, shift enter. I'm then going to highlight the city and the postcode, insert city, space, insert postcode. And I'm actually just going to hit enter again because I want there to be a bit of a space between to the members and the addresses. The next step is going to be to preview results. And I see that Anne Gleeson is there, Joe Dooley, Tom Morris, Susan Keogh, Robert Arnold, James Rossiter, and I've got 6 recipients. Okay. It wants me to merge them, so I'm going to finish and edit individual documents all. And I go from 1 letter to 6 letters. And I'm going to save the merged document as merged 31. So file, save as, merged 31. And it's going to be in the desktop. Save. Okay. And close all documents. Let's go okay. And close and close. Now, when you look at all the documents you have in relation to this, you should have merged 31, okay, on your desktop, and you should have ADDRST. But where is AGM? AGM should be there as well. Okay, so this is the one prior to having the data fields added. Okay, this is the merged one. Scroll down, you have your 6 letters, and ADURLS you have. Okay, is that all right? Okay, thank you very much.